Bonjour, I'm Shelly and this is a mini tutorial of Google Calendar's mobile app. Joining a Google Meet through the Calendar app is really easy, so I'm going to start with an event I have planned for Friday. And the first option I have is to click Join with Google Meet. It'll prepare my audio and camera. There we go. And it's a good habit to get in to click off your microphone before you join an event. Do make sure you are joining any Google Meets associated with the college using your specific email address. You can see at the bottom, that's how I'm joining, and there's also a blue switch word if I did need to change that account to my red light one. Below the share screen or join icon, you'll also see a list of people who are waiting in the meeting, or if you're the first one there. If I scroll down, I also have the option to click and join by phone. And there's a description of the event, and there might be documents or links here to help you prepare for the meeting. So we're going to go back, and since we're in the Gmail app, I'm going to double click my home button to switch back to Google Calendar, where I can see how many guests were invited to the meeting and what their responses are so far. I can also see the top person is always the organizer. So if I have any questions about the meeting, I could get in contact with them. At the very bottom, I also have an option to respond to this event. I can say I'm going, I'm not going, or I might be going. And if I click the arrow, I can propose a new time or add a note. And that's how you join a Google Meet. If you'd like more mini tutorials on using the Google Calendar mobile app, please give us your feedback on our Facebook page.